Introduction. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest advancements in technology. Today, we're diving into a mind-boggling innovation that's taking the world by storm: holographic displays. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the magic behind this cutting-edge technology with real-time examples that will leave you awestruck. What are holographic displays? Imagine a world where images aren't confined to flat screens, but instead come to life in 3 dimensions, right before your eyes. That's the beauty of holographic displays. These displays create lifelike visuals that appear to float in mid-air, giving you a sense of depth and realism that was once the stuff of science fiction. How do they work? Let's break it down without getting too technical. Holographic displays use a combination of light, optics, and complex algorithms to recreate 3D images. Unlike traditional screens that emit light in all directions, holographic displays emit light in specific patterns, tricking your brain into perceiving depth. This is achieved by projecting light onto a special surface or using a medium like a cloud of mist to scatter light and form the 3D image. Real-time examples. 1. Medical imaging. Imagine a doctor being able to view a 3D holographic representation of a patient's anatomy during surgery. This technology allows for more accurate planning and precise procedures. 2. Product design. Engineers and designers can create holographic prototypes of products. They can interact with these holograms, testing functionalities and spotting potential design flaws before manufacturing even begins. 3. Entertainment. Think about watching a movie, where characters and scenes pop out of the screen. Holographic displays could revolutionize the way we experience entertainment, making it more immersive than ever. 4. Education. Learning complex concepts could become a breeze with holographic displays. Students studying chemistry could manipulate 3D molecular structures, and history lessons could come to life with interactive historical figures. 5. Virtual conferencing. Instead of the usual video calls, imagine having a holographic conference call. It's like having your colleagues right there in the room with you, regardless of their physical location. Challenges and future prospects. Of course, every technology has its hurdles. Holographic displays are no exception. Creating truly realistic images that respond to different angles and lighting conditions remains a challenge. However, researchers are working tirelessly to overcome these obstacles. The future of holographic displays is incredibly promising. As technology improves, we might see them integrated into our daily lives, from entertainment and communication to education and healthcare. Conclusion. There you have it, a sneak peek into the captivating world of holographic displays. We've journeyed through the basics of how they work, explored their applications in various fields, and pondered their potential impact on our future. So, are holographic displays the next big thing? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the future is looking more 3-dimensional than ever before. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tech insights. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the wonders of technology.